Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix sound problem in your device Xcover 6 Pro. So if you're having any trouble related to sound like sound isn't working in your device Xcover 6 Pro, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know whenever I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix sound problem in your device.